Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you why Cash App might be declining your payment for your protection and how to fix it. First, open your Cash App. From the home screen, tap on the Activity section located in the bottom right corner. This section will display all your recent transactions. Here, you can find any transaction that has been declined by Cash App for your protection. If you don't see a declined transaction, I'll use a similar example to guide you through the process. If a transaction is declined, you'll typically see a review button next to it. Tap on the review button to get more details about why the payment was declined. In many cases, this happens when Cash App's system flags the transaction as potentially unsafe or suspicious. Once you tap Review, you may see a green button at the bottom of the screen. This button might say, "Looks good," "Confirm transaction," or something similar, depending on the situation. If you are confident that the payment is safe and accurate, click the green button to confirm. This will let Cash App know that you recognize the transaction and approve it. After doing this, Cash App should no longer decline the payment. If the issue persists or you don't see the option to review the transaction, ensure that your Cash App is up to date by checking for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. Additionally, make sure your account information is accurate, including linked debit or credit cards. Double-check for any restrictions or limits on your account. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.